Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to active a dynamic slant on iPhone. So simply open any apps like I'm open. So just click on, press on to start, and when I'm go out from this app, then showing it to dynamic slant. So it's on, or if you want to add multiple like breakout skin, then showing it to multiple slant. So press on to open, and another open this, long press, then showing here. Now stop this, now showing on, or if you want to hide, now hide, or if you want to unhide, swipe left to right side. Now it's unhide, or if you want to it's close, stop and press on close. Now it's close. So that's it.